What is up, YouTube? This is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I have a very special video for you. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video of a Sonus Faber in-ceiling speaker, the Palladio PC-662P. This is just going to be a quick unboxing video as well as an installation video. I'm on a project here where we're doing a 7.4.6 Dolby Atmos system. Really cool system, so you guys got to subscribe to the channel. But if you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We ship throughout the entire nation and have a free consultation service to where my guys will FaceTime and Zoom with you and walk through your entire space and tailor a package to fit your exact needs and budget. I also have an extensive preferred installer network throughout the country if you are not wanting to DIY it yourself. DIY it yourself? Yeah. DIY it. You guys get what I'm saying. And in addition to that, if you guys would like to be featured on one of our YouTube videos, make sure to head over to our website and go to the Want to Be Featured section. You guys know that we love recording content and giving you guys inspiration as to things that you can do in your own home. This project that I'm on right now is really cool. It's not one of those cookie cut theaters. We're having to retro wire everything and, you know, black out the windows and a bunch of cool custom stuff to give you guys some inspiration. Anyways, guys, this is just a quick unboxing video. Let's get into it. All right, welcome back, guys. We're gonna do a quick unboxing here and then we'll show you how to install it into the ceiling. Sonus Faber is a newer brand that we brought on, guys. I'm really thrilled to be able to offer this in addition to Focal. Whenever you're purchasing a product on the internet, you want to make sure that you're purchasing from an authorized reseller. If you don't purchase from an authorized reseller, you run the risk, well, if you don't purchase from an authorized reseller, more than likely if something goes wrong, you are not going to be covered under manufacturer warranty. Here at Dreamedia, we pride ourselves on being authorized for all the manufacturers that we sell. This is one thing that you're going to find with quality manufacturers as well, is it was actually inspected by a human being. Quality manufacturers always get hands-on and make sure that the products that they're selling are good to go. Sonus Faber Palladio Custom Installation Series. This is going to be your warranty and user guide on the product. This is going to be your cutout template. Basically, you put this on the ceiling like that, trace it out with a pencil, and then you cut it out with a sheetrock. If you look up here behind me, you guys will see all the holes have already been cut in this room here. We're doing a total of 6 Atmos speakers in this room, 6 heights. This is a perfect speaker for Dolby Atmos because it's aimable. With Dolby Atmos, you really want to aim your audio to make sure that it's coming through in the accurate location due to Dolby Atmos spec. So that's that. Next thing is going to be the magnetic grill. So this is pretty typical for in-ceiling speakers, guys. A magnetic grill. You just basically stick it to the speaker. And the part that everybody's wanting to see, which is going to be the speaker itself. Let me get this puppy out of the box. Okay, and here's the speaker. There you go. And I'll just spin it real slow for you guys so that you can see all the way around it. Nice quality construction. And I love how it's positioned to where it aims the audio. That's essential. You got the woofer. and then the tweeter. And you can see it's got the quality push button terminals. It's branded Sonus Faber. These come out and clamp right on to the sheetrock right there with these little screws. That's how you secure it to the sheetrock. Huge, nice big magnet structure. Great product. Palladio. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And then your grill is just gonna go on like that. Voila. All right, guys, I'm gonna run through some of the quick details of the product. This is a two-way in-ceiling speaker system with an infinite battle. It has a 6.5-inch mid-range mid-woofer. Crossover frequency is 3,000 hertz. And frequency response is 50 to 25,000 hertz. Sensitivity is 90 dB SPL. This is a 4-ohm speaker. Suggested amplifier is 200 watts RMS. So the tweeter makeup on this speaker right here is a DAD, damped apex dome silk dome tweeter. This is found on a lot of the Sonus Faber speakers. The mid-woofer, the custom diaphragm is made in natural fiber and cellulose pulp according to the most natural sound. They have something special on the back here, Paracross topology. The anti-resonant design of the X over network features the Paracross topology circuitry enriched with custom-made capacitor branded with Sonus Faber. Pretty cool stuff. All right, guys, that is a wrap on my unboxing and quick installation video on the Sonus Faber Palladio PC-662P. This is a great in-ceiling speaker specifically for Dolby Atmos or any off-access listening because of the aimable woofer and tweeter. I can't wait to fire the system up. I'm doing a full installation video on this 7.4.6 Atmos system, so you guys got to subscribe to the channel below. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We ship throughout the entire nation, guys, and that free consultation service will get you hooked up with all the industry-leading products. All right, well, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.